So hello guys, so in this video let's see how I design this from my products in Celeste store. And previously I show you how I designed that using Bootstrap. So in this video I'm going to show you how did I program this on PHP in backend. So this is this is the page. If you can see, I can sort my product. If I search by Apple, and if I search using installed and price high to low and brand new, and if I press sort, you can see it's all Apple product with these filters is being shown here. And if I go to used, you can see there is no used Apple phone. So I can change between these things. So if I go to oldest to newest, it's the same result we getting, but it's ordered by time. So if I go to price low to high, yeah, it's the same. So you can clear the sort, of course. If you press clear, you can see the page reloads and the filters have now been cleared. So, and here you can see my pagination. If I press 2, it's going to get to the second page because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 product. The page limited by 6 products. So the second page is going to be showing the other 2. Okay, if I search by Huawei and if I sort, you can see it's getting these only Huawei phones. So let's see how I program that. So this is my product page. You can see if I go to if I go to you can see my sort button and clear button. I have called a sort 1 and I have a parameter 0. If I go to my JavaScript and search for sort, let's see, yeah, this is called sort. Okay, you can see I passing value 0 here, and I have to get that value in here. So I get that by index called x. So I have my search time, search and other variables down here. So I have IDs for the that's my search. Okay, you can see my search bar have ID called s, and my time, you can see I have time ID n o, and for quantity for quantity I have radio h and l high to low, and for the brand new and use I have BNU as the IDs. So I have taken that IDs in here in the JavaScript, and here's some programs. Here's some script for this. If you take the search bar, and I have created a default variable called time and assigned to 0. If n dot check, it means new checked. I'm going to be 1, and the oldest is check. The time going to be 2, as it is for the quantity as well and for the condition as well. So I have created a new form and append all these things, S, T, Q, C, and I have assigned a page, a name called page, and assign the value as x. That x means the 0, the parameter come from here. So it is assigned as page. So I have created a new HTTP request, XML request, as same as the others. And for the open method, I use post method and sortprocess.php, and from the Ajax it's been true, and I have sent my form. Okay, now if this checking if the response is successful, it's going to document.getElement by id sort, and in HTML as t. So let's get that in a second. So let's see my sort process. Okay, if I go here and sort process, yeah, here you can see sort process. Okay, you can see first of all I have taken my session start and I have required my connection, and here I get my user in the session, and the variables, the indexes come from the post method. I have taken that here and assigned to a variable such time condition. Here I have a variable called query, and have some main query. Select all from product where user's email equal user email we getting from the session. So it is pretty much it, and then we have some function script down here. So if search is not empty, we're going to add this query to this query variable. So it means select all from product where user email equal this thing. Okay, it's quite it, and title like this text we are getting from the search input, and it is the wildcard in SQL. So as same as it for the condition time, and okay, it's the same. It's slight difference in the query, and the query going to be assigned to this query variable. So here I have this closing PHP script, and I have this thing. It means if you go here and yeah, not single product, let's see, that's my file, and this is called from my products, I guess my product, yeah, my products. You can see here I have see, yeah, you can see I have ID called sort, and for this whole div, the product div, it's going to end down here, and in here I have also the pagination. This is the pagination. Okay, so I have assigned that ID, and in HTML to this ID, it means the result coming from okay, so process again. It's going to, you can give me a second. So where's my product? Okay, okay, here you can see the result come from this is going to be assigned for this in the T, so it's going to be assigned for the sort ID. So this is pretty much it, and this is the part for the pagination. I'm checking that if the page if the 0 is not equal for the post page we are getting from the post, and if it is not, we're going to get the page, and if it is, we're going to create a new variable called page number and assign it to 1. So this is pretty much for the queries for the product image. Yeah, no, not the image, for the product. And I have limit the product view for 6 item only, and you can see we have some maths over here. It pretty much doing is that it's going to get the product num value and divide it by result per page, and this is going to page result equal page num -1, and going to multiply it using result per page, and select rs equal database and the query. So it's limiting the result per page, it means 6, and offset page result. Okay, that's pretty much it, and I have a for loop for the selected num, and inside that for loop I have do my stuff down here for the pagination. So for status, this for the status, so it's not going to be in this video. So this is the pagination part. So if the page number is less than or equal 1, then there's nothing going to be shown, so the current page will be reloaded. So it's going to be hashtag mean that. So if it is not the case, we are going to combine that, assign that. Actually we are going to give a new value to page, the page we are getting from the post method, and not the post, from the get method. We're going to give concatenate page number -1. So it is the case for the previous button, and for next button it's opposite of that. If it is page number is greater than or equal number of pages, it's going to concatenate by +1. Okay, for the link, it's pretty much simple. So what I have done here is that I have equal the value of x mean the value getting from this for loop. So it's pretty much it, guys. That's for this video, this whole functionality done by that. So thank you.